Underclass 2013K, Mosoti Mildred presents an English solo set verse. What do you stand for? By Stephen Tengo. Welcome. When you wake up in the morning, before you carry on to yawning or greet anyone, good morning, what do you stand for? When friends need your company, when parents trust you with their money, and your sore throat cries for sweet honey, what do you stand for? When you're left home alone and can make the whole house your throne, so you chant yourself a nice song, what do you stand for? When you're walking in town and see beggars around and you feel the urge to turn around, what do you stand for? When you decide to fall in love and that love falls out of place, remember to ask yourself, what do you stand for? When you know the right path will get you dirty to afford you a bath, will you choose the wrong path? What do you stand for? When you do not read your books or hang your clothes on hooks and follow the footsteps of crooks, what do you stand for? Gratitude.